In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Flipbook and lead capture features. So if you purchase this add-on, you're going to notice that when you come over to your ebooks, if you click these three dots, you're going to be able to now choose this option here to configure your review form. So this is the first thing you want to do, because if you want to capture leads, you need to set this up. So you're going to click on this, and then you're going to customize this. So the form title, this is what's going to pop up at the top of the form. And then you can have it to show after so many seconds. Now, regardless of this, it's also going to pop up if someone tries to leave the page. So if they try to leave the page before 30 seconds or whatever you set here, then that's when it's going to show up instead. So for this, I'm just going to put this at, say, 900, because I'd rather for it to show whenever they try to leave. You can also add a subtitle here. By default, this is what's in here. The form fields, you can have it to show the name, the email, give you a rating for your ebook, and also to show a comment field. This is helpful if you actually want feedback for your ebook. You can make these options required or not. I always have the name and email at least required. And you can also update the buttons and the messages. So what you want on the button to show, submit review, the close button text to say close, and then a message after they submit it. So if you click on preview format, this is what it's going to look like. So very neat, very clean. They can come up here and choose the rating, put in their name, email, and then submit it. Now, once you have that done, you want to go ahead and submit it. And then you can go to your ebook, go to your download section, and then under the PDF version, you can see here where I've created mine twice because I made some edits to it, so I regenerated it. But here you want to make sure it's the PDF version, and then you want to click the three dots and then share Flipbook. Now there's two ways you can share your Flipbook. You can either generate a QR code, or you can just grab the link right here and share the link. So to generate a QR code, you're going to click here, and then these are the options you have. Normally, I just leave everything here the way it is, but you can change any of these if you want to. And then you can download the PNG version of it or the SVG version of it, and then click on submit. And then it's going to take you back here. If you want to share the link instead, you want to make sure you highlight it and copy it. And then you want to tick this box. If you don't tick this, it's not going to allow your ebook to be shared publicly. They're just going to see an error page. So tick this and then click submit. Now you can always come back here and get that link again if you need it. So if you come back here again and click on share Flipbook, you're going to see it's already saved here, and you can just take your link and you can copy it again and then paste it in your browser. And when you do that, it's going to show that it's loading. Here's your ebook where they can just flip through it. It has a little flipping noise made with it. Some people like that, some don't. If they don't, they can come down to the settings and they can turn that off. They can also view one page at a time, single page. This helps more on mobile. You can zoom in or out. And we are working on trying to increase the size of the settings down here at the bottom, especially on mobile. So if you don't see that yet, we are working on it. Now, if anybody does try to leave the page, you can see here the pop-up comes up and they can fill out the details here. So once they fill out their name, their email, if they want to leave a comment, they can. Then they can also leave a rating. I'll go ahead and leave 5 stars and click submit review. And then you can go back to your dashboard. Let me close this. And down here, you'll see a section for reviews. So let me jump back and show you where this is at from the beginning. If you go into your book, and right here's reviews, you're going to see right here is where it collected the name, the email, the rating, the comment. And then you can also export this list as a CSV file. And what that's going to do is give you the ability to easily copy all the email addresses that you've got from this form. And then you can upload them to your email marketing platform and use them for future marketing.